Welcome by the 5-acre Northwest Wood. Today I will be testing the new bandsaw sled that I designed and assembled in my previous video. I went out into the woods to cut a piece of green maple. I would use this to test out the new sled. My chainsaw kept throwing the chain, so I have to come up with a different solution. This is the best solution for today. The log is all loaded on the sled and I am ready for the first cut. That is really making a nice cut. You can see black screws used in the bar clamp to keep the clamp from slipping off the log. They extend into the log about 1/8 inch when the clamp is tight.
Okay.
The flat side from the first cut is against the sled fence. I'm ready to make the second cut. That really made a nice 1-inch cut. Nice and straight with no diving. The side of the remaining piece has a nice clean cut. I will leave it that size for carving. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. See you next time.